सो जा बेटे, सो जा।
Your baby isn't sleeping again? Before you panic, here's the truth. Most sleep problems have simple, fixable reasons. Let's quickly break down why babies struggle with sleep and what actually helps. Reason 1. Your baby is overtired. When babies stay awake too long, their bodies release stress hormones that make them restless. The solution is to follow age-wise wake windows and watch for sleepy cues like yawning, staring, or eye rubbing. Reason 2. Hunger or growth spurts. Growth spurts around 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 3 months, and 6 months can completely disrupt sleep. The solution is to offer slightly more frequent feeds during these phases and avoid forcing long gaps if your baby is hungry. Reason 3. Day-night confusion. Newborns don't have a body clock yet, so their nights and days get mixed. The solution is to keep daytime bright and active and nighttime dim and calm. A simple routine like massage, bath, and low lights helps set their rhythm. Reason 4. Discomfort. Heat, gas, and wet diapers can all interrupt sleep. The solution is light cotton clothes, proper burping after feeds, and frequent diaper checks to keep your baby comfortable. Reason 5. Too much stimulation. Loud play, evening excitement, or any kind of screen exposure can overstimulate babies. The solution is to create a calm wind-down routine with soft lights, gentle voices, and predictable steps. Every baby is different. Sleep improves naturally as their brain develops. Stay consistent and patient, your baby will get there. Follow for more.